Hello guys, this is Nightingale, and in this video we are going to learn how we can protect our document using password or with password. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I'll go to my search bar, then I search for Word document. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Office 2013, so you see Word 2013 here. You click on it to open. So Word is successfully launched. Now in my case, I'm going to use a blank document. So you can use any document you want to put a password on, or you want to protect it using a password. You click on it to open. Now let's type something here. Thanks for learning. Now I go to File, then click Save As to save the document. You open or you browse to the location you want to save your document. In my case, I will save it to the desktop. Change the name to CodeLytical. Then I click Save to save the document. Now after your document is being saved, this time we are going to put a password on our document. So you go to File, then you click on File. You make sure you look for Info. You click on Info. You are going to see Protect Document. So you click on Protect Document. You will see Encrypt with Password. You select that one. Here a dialog form will pop up asking you to enter your password. So you choose a password. After you click OK, you are going to be asked to re-enter password. You make sure you type the same password you used for the first one. After that, you click OK. Now your document is being protected. You go back to your document, then now you close it. When you are making an attempt to close it, they will ask you to save it. So you click Save to save the changes you've done. Now when you try opening your document, you should ask for a password. So let's try opening it. So they're asking for a password. If the user enters wrong password, he or she cannot use the document. So unless you enter the correct password before you can use the document. Okay, so now this is it. But if you want to remove the password from your document as well, you can do the same thing, going through the same process. You go to File, then you look for Info, you look for Protect Document, Encrypt with Password. Then you make sure you clear the password you use. After you click OK, then you go back, you close it, then you save the changes. That's all. Now your document is free, no password. That is it. So now this is the first way of doing it. Now there's another method or another way of protecting your document. To do that, you go to File, then here you click Save As. Then make sure you browse to the location you want to save the document. So browse. Now you change the name or the name you want, any name you want to use. So here I'm going to use Nat. Then you make sure you go to where we have tools. You click on the tools. You see general options. You click on general options. Here a dialog form called general options will pop up. You see a password to open, then password to modify. If you want a user to enter password whenever he wants to open, you have to give the password here. Now if you want a user to also enter a password whenever he or she wants to modify your document, you have to specify the password here. So here I'm going to give a password to open. After that, a password to modify as well. Then after that, I click OK. They ask you to re-enter password to open. Then at the same time, password to modify. You click OK. So after that, you make sure you save your document. So that is it. Now close it. So if you open the document, the first one will come, enter password to open. You click OK. So here, if you refuse to enter the password to modify, the only option you can get is click read only. here you can only see the read only option. That means the user cannot modify your document. So let's close it, open it again, enter password, enter password. So this is how it works. Now if you want to remove this one too as well, the same thing, you can do the same thing. You go to file, you make sure you select info, you click on protect password, you click on this one, you make sure you clear the password from here, then you click OK. Then after that, you make sure you save as, you browse to the location, you go to tools, general options, then you make sure you clear the password from the modify. After that, you click OK. Now you save your document. So this is it. This is how we do it. So you can see the password is gone. So basically this is how you can add password to your document. Thank you very much for your time, and also thank you for learning.